Hello, so I made my 5-year anniversary a journal mood journal, and I wanted it to be white. I wanted to have um, a white kind of Victorian kind of bohemian style, and these lace was just perfect for it. So as you can see, it is a writing journal, so there is going to be a lot of room to write, a lot of blank pages, but then I also have these decorative pages that I'm going to enjoy creating spread on. And yeah, I'm excited to use this. I hope you guys are going to be joining the 5-year anniversary for Journal Mood and share your journaling moments with the group using hashtag the journal mood.